The template is intuitively organized, giving you a clear roadmap. You'll find sections covering everything from the essential overview of the IELTS reading section to detailed strategies, goal-setting tools, and practice resources. Now, let's take a closer look at what's inside the IELTS Reading Section template. This is your all-in-one digital hub for mastering the IELTS reading test, designed to guide you step by step. A core component of the template is the focus on building essential reading skills. We break down the key skills you need, such as skimming, scanning, understanding, paraphrasing, time management, and vocabulary building, providing targeted guidance for each. You'll also get comprehensive coverage of all the IELTS reading question types. Each type, from multiple choice and matching headings to true, false, not given and diagram labeling, is explained in detail with examples and effective tips. To keep you motivated and on track, the template includes a dedicated reading progress tracker. This allows you to monitor your progress at beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels, tracking your reading passages, comprehension scores, and identifying your strengths and weaknesses. For every question type, like this example of matching headings, you'll find a clear definition, example exercises, answer guidance, and practical tips to improve your approach. This detailed preview just scratches the surface of what the IELTS Reading Section template offers. It's designed to be your comprehensive and interactive guide to success. Visit our website to explore all the features and take control of your IELTS reading preparation.